We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting and related biblical words and names as well, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. It designates, it means, the blessings listed by Jesus in the Sermon on the Mount. How do you say it? In British English, this is said as Beatitudes. You do want to stress on the second syllable, Beatitudes. Note the ch sound on the last syllable, on the tudes syllable. In American English, however, this is normally said as Beatitudes. Beatitudes in American English versus Beatitudes in British English. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names from the Bible whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.